Hello everyone. So quick disclaimer before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I am just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You are responsible for your own decisions. So let me check quickly if everything looks good on the live stream. Yeah, everything looks good. So yeah, we are looking really good today on the account. You can see here yesterday we were at minus $3,000 in open PNL. Now we are at almost $15,000. So, and yeah, let's check today. Today we are up 3,634, and yeah, so I've already entered some trades on the premium group. So I've already shared the trade on the premium group, and the trade you see here on the live stream, I will be only focusing on gold. So if you want to copy all my trades, you need to get into the premium. Hello Guri, how are you, brother? So let me quickly show you the position that I can show you. Yeah, these ones in purple, yeah, these are the trades that I just entered. So we are still in profits for AUD CAD. We missed the TP3 of the AUD GPY by a hairpin right here. So for the EURUSD, we are still in this trade. For the CAD GPY, I've entered this trade yesterday. We touched the TP1, moved the stop loss to the entry, and now I think we will continue trending up since, yeah, like this here. So yeah, looks good. The CAD GPY, the GPB AUD, I entered this trade yesterday. We touched TP1, and yeah, the trade turned against us. NZDJPY, I think I closed this trade last week on manually, so don't worry about it. And for the USD CHF, I've entered this trade, I think on, I don't remember, but yeah, it does look good. We touched the TP1 yesterday, we touched the TP2 today, and yeah, let's get to the real stuff, to gold, and see what we can do. We are at all-time high for gold. We never reached these levels on gold, so it will be interesting to trade gold. Let me quickly check your messages. So I was having my exam, so that's why I didn't get time to join the live. No problem, bro. So what are you studying? So we can see a clear uptrend on gold since the start of the day. This is the start of the day. We can see a clear uptrend on gold, and let's analyze together and see what we can do. So this is a low, this is a higher, this is a high, yeah, this is a higher low, a higher low also, a higher high if you can count it, a higher high, a higher low. Yeah, everything looks good. This is a higher low, and we are now at equal lows, so it will be great if we can take a position right here, if we can get a good stop loss. Yeah, looks good. The problem is, if you notice this past 2 days that we are live streaming, the problem is this EMA acts always as a dynamic support or resistance. So yeah, but yeah, everything looks good. We have a clear uptrend. We have yeah, a higher low here, then equal equal low. So I think it will be great entering this trade. And like always, do not copy trade me. I'm doing this for entertainment purposes only. This is not a financial advice. So let me see where my entry is at 47.26. 26. Let me quickly 47.26. 47.26. 47.31. 47.36 and 47.46. 47.46. So the stop loss will be at 47.19. So this is my trade. Let me quickly add. You can see that I've opened the trade right here. So let me quickly add the levels. 26 at 31, the TP1, the stop loss will be at 19. PGD in computer system technician, great. So 47.19, 47.36, and 47.19 and 47.46. So yeah, this is the trade. Let me quickly adapt this. So yeah, we have, let me quickly remove this one. One second, everyone. Sorry about that, everyone. I needed to do something. So where we were, yeah. So let me quickly get the levels, and I will explain the position afterwards. So 47.26, 31 for the TP1. I think we will be moving the stop loss earlier. I think 47.36. This is for the TP2, and this will be for the TP3. 47 TP3, 47.46. So yeah, this is how the trade looks. And yeah, like I told you, yeah, this is not a financial advice, and past performance does not indicate future profits. So always before entering a trade, you need to count it as a loss. So let me know if you have any questions regarding this trade. I will be monitoring to see, yeah, if my idea was correct or not, because the entry is super simple. It's only based on market structure, following higher highs and higher lows, then printing a lower, an equal low right here. That's why I've entered the trade. And yeah, when I saw that my stop loss will be protected by these wicks right here, I've entered. So yeah, super simple entry. Trading doesn't need to be super complicated, because yesterday I was seeing a YouTube video on a strategy claiming that the guy made $1.2 million in the 2025. Yeah, I was interested about this strategy, but yeah, it's super hard, super subjective. By subjective, I mean not anyone can read the things that the guy is explaining, you know. Yes, I'm testing with the 50 pips. Exactly, the TP1 is 50 pips. I was saying, yeah, about I was talking about the video that I was watching yesterday about the strategy that have a profit factor of 7. Even though this strategy may work, but it's super hard to execute. It's super subjective. You can't trust what you see in front of the screen. The guy is claiming to catch reversals based on the 5 seconds change of character. Yeah, too much information, too much stuff, too much complications. I found that the easiest strategies are the most profitable strategies, to be honest. Yes, exactly, Guri. Unless I see something bad on the chart. So we wait for the TP1, then move the stop loss to the entry. Let me see if everything looks good. Yeah. So yesterday we had a really funny trade. You need to check it out on the previous live stream recording, and also yeah, I've shared a video on my new Instagram about it. Make sure to check it out. You can see my Instagram link in the description. I've also shared the short about yesterday trade, claiming that I made a dumb mistake. So yeah. And let's watch this trade on gold and see if everything goes as expected. Can I share with you the YouTube video? I also used, yeah, sorry, I didn't watch, I didn't see your comment. I also used the strategy I saw on YouTube. The accuracy is so good. I used the strategy for 6 days. And 5 days TP hit each day 150 pips. One SL hit 50 pips. Are you talking about the strategy that I was talking about, or have you seen another strategy on YouTube with these numbers? Yeah, sure, you can share whatever you want with me. Yes, please make sure to send it to me on my new Instagram. It's this one, Daxton Trades, and so make sure to follow because yeah, you can see here that we have decent views, but yeah, the followers are coming from some countries that, yeah. Please make sure to send me the video on my Instagram, and make sure also everyone to follow. But yeah, I'm always super eager to learn new strategy. I don't disguise other strategies or something. I'm always want to learn new strategies, maybe even more profitable strategies. Yeah, this is how you grow as a trader. By learning new strategy doesn't mean that you dismiss your old strategy. You just learn new strategies, and when you have free time you backtest them. And yeah, if you found that this strategy that you backtested looks good on the backtest, you know you need to forward test it, not immediately execute this strategy. So I tend to take a strategy, backtest it for at least 3 years. Then if everything looks good, I forward test it with a demo account or something like that. And yeah, after 1 or 2 months, I get to execute this strategy either on my personal account or prop firm account or something. And yeah, I don't have the phone with me that has this strategy, that has this Instagram that I told you. I forgot it in my car, so I please Guri make sure to send it, so yeah, we can check it out. And also, one other thing, when you see new strategies and you test them and you backtest them, sometimes you find that this strategy is profitable, but after adding your touch to this strategy or just improving one aspect, for example the entry, the stop loss, the take profit, these things, yeah, I tested this multiple times in the past. I found a good strategy, I turned that to a super good strategy. So it's always good to check new strategy. But if you have a working strategy now, don't chase shiny new things. Keep using your strategy while backtesting other strategies and checking other strategies. No harm in it. So, Guri, have you shared this video with me on my Instagram? Okay, okay. I will check it out. I will check it out, but yeah, like I told you, I don't have the second phone with me. I left it in my car, and my car is 10 minutes away from me. So I will check it out after this live stream. And one other thing about the prop firm trades, that the prop firm channel that we have. So yeah, I'm doing the exact same thing that I was talking about 1 minute ago. I was backtesting a strategy. It looks really good. It's very simple. I'm now forward testing this strategy, and I will let you know after yeah, I'm done with it. And I will be sharing, of course, if everything looks good. I will be using this strategy on the, yeah, on the prop firm group. No problem. I love doing this. No problem for me. I love doing this. I sometimes spend 4 hours back testing the strategy. No problem for me. Sure, sure. I need to find a balance in the group between profitability, you know what I meant, and also the number of trades shared per day, also the uh, average drawdown and everything. That's why it's taking a bit of time. So I will be updating you better than. But if you want another thing, if you want to forward test this strategy with me in the prop firm group, I have no problem sharing trades there also, because I've already said that I've already said in the prop firm group that, yeah, please use a demo account. Don't use it for a prop firm until we are sure that this strategy is doing well in real time, because backtest is so different from the forward test. No, why is gold doing this? Is it's rejecting the same EMA that was rejecting yesterday and the day before? Everything is by the book. So yeah, good uptrend, then equal lows, these equal low, yeah, but we stay and watch. I can see your PNL. It is going up and down so fast. Give me no, it's good, looking good. One other thing, this PNL is wrong because I forgot 2 USD CAD trade that I didn't change my. I sent in the group to change the stop loss to break even, but I forgot to change it. No problem, even if it touched the stop loss, no problem. Maybe, hopefully, this week will stop the price from going down. Let's see. You can see yesterday that we had the minus $3,000 PNL, and today we started at 18,000, I believe. Then I've added new trades and it dropped, of course, because trades are not in profits yet. So we just need to wait. This week looks good, to be honest. Hopefully the price will go up after that. If not, we will be stopped out. No. Bro, you should upload videos like they yeah, I'm thinking about doing it, but not like a day in a live or something like that. I will try, and let me know your opinion. I will try. I have an idea to take, for example, last week trades. Show, for example, that last week I made 9,000. These are the trade that I took, why I took these trades. Yeah, what do you think about this idea? I think it will be valuable for people, but day in a life or showing lifestyle, maybe I will do that in the future, in the summer. I think because in the summer I'm always out and everything, but now I think value will be more important to people. What do you think about this idea of, yeah, of doing some, yeah, weekly? Yes, knowledge is better than sharing cars and other stuff. Because a weekly breakdown will show you all the trade that I and my members in Telegram took, exactly where we entered, why I entered, where we got stopped out, where the price went, what we did in certain trade, why did we close early, yeah, and other stuff. No, honestly, I didn't get what you mean, but yeah, this live stream can act as a group who together. Every member can participate in the chat. We can discuss. It's better. The live stream is better because you can chat with me live, better than missing messages from people. 23, we are 30 pips in drawdown. No, no, I will not stop doing live stream. In the opposite, I enjoy live streams. But yeah, if I stopped, yeah, I will not stop at all because I enjoy live streams. This is the first thing, and the second thing, I want to grow on YouTube. Thanks so much. see if this wick can be a cushion for us. This one. Because yeah, I did everything by the book, and yeah, it happens sometimes when you do everything as you always did and you lose day after day after day. The trick, where is the trick, is to keep executing your strategy, yeah, and don't care about the outcomes. Because what makes profitable traders, because I saw many traders profitable for 1 or 2 months, then go straight down to zero because they start doubting their strategy, you know, and they end up going back to their yeah, strategy at the end because they realized that they messed up and they did a mistake by changing the strategy that was profitable at the beginning. So this candle for now looks good, but we need to wait for the last minute to see if the price will continue going up or it will start going down. We see the P&L now looks better than earlier. We were at 9,000. I also enjoy watching a trader. I completely forgot his name. He's an Italian. So yeah, he sometimes does $60,000-$70,000 per session, and sometimes he's losing $10,000 to $15,000 in session, and he's so calm. And yeah, this is, I think, the World Cup winner, of trading a scalper. This is when you see that the profitable trader have something in common, that's calm and calmness. Even if they lose money, they simply don't care because they know for sure 1000% that they will recover their losses and will continue climbing the equity curve. Yes, I watch Netflix, of course. Yeah, this doesn't look good, to be honest, especially after this week on this bloody EMA. And so I think we will have a breakout structure or something, because yeah, price is so messed up in this area, doesn't want to go up again even after this rejection right here. We also have a wickless candle right here, so I hope the price goes back to it, because yeah, when you see a candle without a wick like this one, it means that the price opened without going up a pip. That means price usually always goes back at least to this candle entry, candle open, sorry. So we are now at the last minute. Let's see what will happen. We closed good, but still under the white EMA. So that sometimes happens. You execute the trade and you do SL to break even. For some of the premium members, it gets hit SL break even, and you didn't get hit as SL break even. Yes, it happens from time to time, because yeah, some members doesn't use the same broker that I use, and yeah, there's always differences between brokers price, but it happens if the price goes to break even in 2 pips, 3 pips, maximum 5 pips. But yeah, it can happen. Sometimes you see on TradingView here that we touched the TP3, but on my account you see no TP3 was touched. That means that the prices that you see on the TradingView are different than the prices that you see on your own account. We are at 8,500. I'm using VT markets. And also, yeah, we touched the stop loss. And also there is a thing, so there is multiple account types on other brokers. For example, some people use swap free accounts, some people use the VIP account, some people, yeah. So this trade is gone. We were stopped out. Yeah, let's wait for another one. So I was saying, yeah, even the account type is important. Yeah, we have a level right here. Let's see. I would be looking for an entry at this point to sell, to be honest, because we already broke this structure. Or even at this level right here, where we have this wick. Can you search gold on TradingView as a broker advantage? It's same for VT market. Can you search gold on TradingView as a broker advantage? It is same for, yeah, like I told you, it happens in 100 trades, it happens one time. So yeah, it doesn't matter. And some people also changed the stop loss to their entry. They needed to change the stop loss to my entry, and yeah, but like I told you, in 100 trades it happens one time. Yeah, there is not a huge difference, if you can see. But there is a difference. So let me check which one is close to my yeah, price moves so fast. I honestly don't care. So there is not a huge difference. the opposite of indices. In indices there is a huge difference. That's why I concentrate on this stuff for indices, but for gold and forex, yeah, the difference is minimal. Quickly update this. This week is not going super good, but yeah, it happens and it's not a problem at all. That's why on my every single trade that I share, you can see the disclaimer. Past profits do not predict future earnings, risk only 1 to 2% per position. Let's buy now. No, I will not be buying after this long wick right here. And also we already broke, I think, let me see. No, I will not be buying. So which you recommend? I'm thinking of using ECN account. On which broker? Yeah, just use a standard account, because if you deposit, for example, $5,000 or something, just use the VIP account that they have. Yeah, price got back to my entry and I was talking to the chat. Yes, this was a good entry, to be honest, right, for at this wick here. But yeah, let's see if we can get a second entry. We can't use ECN account for Thursday. We can't use ECN account for 3000. What are their requirements for the ECN account? I don't remember, to be honest. Yeah, we missed a good entry right here on this level. Mm, 22.19, so we are 30 pips away from the, yeah, even an entry here looks good. Let me quickly enter. My entry is at 18. I think. Let me see. Copy. Let's say, yeah, 19, I think, or 18. I will write, yeah, it's 18. 47, 18, I think, yeah. 47, 0, 47, 13. 08 and 4698 and 4725. Price moved so fast. 46 to 18, 13. Yeah, price moves so fast. Let me see where my entry is. It's here. And this is the TP. 25. Yeah, this was the perfect entry, exactly right here. $7.25, 18, 46.98. Let me quickly add 13 is the TP1 and 08 is the TP2 and TP3 is 98. An ECN account, tighter spreads with commissions based model, but in pro ECN account there is a minimum deposit requirement. I guess, yeah, it will have a minimum requirement. Of course, they don't give these accounts like this, but yeah, you can choose whatever account your capital suits your capital, of course. Yeah, let's see, we are in. Let's quickly check on other trades that we have. I see 15 in open P&L. What exactly happened? We are in a sell. So we have 50 seconds left for this candle to close. Let's hope it will at least break this wick. Of course, it's very good to have a tighter spread. But I think with tighter spreads, you will have a swap. It's either this or that. Either you will have a tighter spread account or a swap free account, I think. Exactly, yes. Oh, yeah, gold is acting very weird today. So yeah, you can't see it because it touched the stop loss. So I think I will be stopping the maybe I will add another gold trade. Yeah, because this is very weird, to be honest. I think I will give it one last shot and then I will go. Yeah, price is moving so fast. My entry was at 22. So one last shot, then I will stop trading if I get stopped out. Yes, usually in the Asian session when there is no volume. So I added another trade. So I will stop if I will get stopped out. This is the trade, if you can see it right here. Yeah, there is 20 pips difference between the TP1 and TP2. The 22, 29, 17, 29, 22, 12. Yeah, this is weird. What the yeah, 29, 202. And I didn't understand, to be honest. Maybe there is some news or something. No, it's not possible because I try to, yeah, if we take the commissions out. Bro, I'm trading. I cannot do a million things in a second. $22. 17, 12, and 02, 29. Yeah, let me add the levels. 22 at 17. This will be, I think, my last trade of the day, especially for gold. This is the TP2. This will be the TP3. In this one, in this or you already took the other ones? Because this is looking, yeah, weird for gold today. I don't know what's happening. Let me see. USDJPY. Yes, it got the same wick. Maybe there is some news. I don't know what this is. Are we still in? Yeah, I think because Danish pension fund academic pension to exit US treasuries. Yeah, this is, I think, the reason why we got this. Going against the trend the second time. Yeah. I hope that we get out of this trade, because yeah, I really don't like what it's happening right now. Yeah, we are out, and I'm out for today. I would not be trading anymore. Let's see if tomorrow will be even better. So the main thing is, yeah, to take the stop loss, to take the loss and move on. Shut down your computer, and yeah, let's go for another day tomorrow for new wins. Thanks so much for being with me here in this live